Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a night out cultural glam look. So to start off this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Riviera palette. I'm going to go into the yellow shade called Cabana and I'm going to apply it as a transition shade to my crease. Then I'm going to go ahead with the darker brown shade, which is in the shade Palm, and I'm going to apply it in my crease and make the color more bold so that I could get a night out look. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Yacht, which is a golden bronze shade. And then I'm going to just blend out the brown shade with it. Then finally, I'm going to go into the shade Inheritance, which is a yellow shade from the palette, and put in the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I'm going into the foundation. I'm using the Makeup Forever HD Ultra HD foundation in shade Y455, and I'm going to be using a stippled brush, so it's like a buffing brush to brush out my foundation onto my face. Then I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer in shade Honey. And what I like doing is putting dots sometimes. So the reason I put dots is not specifically for any specific type of results, but I find that it distributes the product more evenly than having harsh lines. So I'm going to put this under my eyes, on my nose bridge, on my chin, and my forehead. And then I'm going to go in with a beauty blender to just blend out the concealer. And then I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer in shade Caramel. It's one of their newest bronzers and I'm in love with this shade. And then next I'm going to go in with the Easy Bake pressed powder in the shade Kunafa, and I'm just going to break my under eyes. It was actually a lot. That's why I didn't take out, I put the part of taking the product off. Then I'm going in with my absolute favorite Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter, and it's bomb. Then I'm going to go do an ombre lip. So I'm starting off with the Too Faced Melted Matte Lip in the shade Drop Dead Rose, and then I'm gonna shade it in with a lighter color, which is from Bella Cosmetics in shade Odyssey. And then this completes the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.